The number dance test review. So I'm quickly going to go over our test that we took yesterday and go over our answers. The number dance. I know that I can add well, that 2 plus 4 is 6, but when I try to multiply, my mind starts playing tricks. The numbers all escape me like fireflies at night, and even if I try my best, I still can't do it right. I multiply 1 just fine, but then I try by 2. My brain is like a scrambled egg. It's just so hard to do. Now, 2 times 2 is 4, I think. But what is 2 times 3? The numbers slip away just like a squirrel up a tree. The numbers start whirling like dancers on a stage. They jump and spin and won't stay put. They leap right off the page. Practice, Mark, my teacher says. It's really just the same as if you were a pitcher preparing for a game. I get my team together, Miguel, Nick, Jane, and me. We start with 2 times 2 and then go on to 2 times 3. We've got the 3s and 4s done. We've learned 6, 7, and 8. Team numbers going down now. Team Kid is doing great. We practice hard together and memorize them all until at last I multiply as well as I play ball. So our first question was, how many stanzas does the number poem have? It has 9. If we count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stanzas. Question number 2 had 2 parts. Who is the speaker of the poem? It was Mark. We see it here when it says, practice, Mark, my teacher says. Miguel, Nick, Jane, and me. So Mark is not referring to himself. The speaker is Mark. How does the speaker overcome his problem with multiplication? He practiced with his friends. So C was your answer. The numbers all start whirling like dancers on a stage. Whirling means to spin. Here we wanted to talk about how the characters felt when they were talking about the poem and how they felt about multiplication. In the beginning, they were unsure. In the middle, they were hopeful. And at the end, they were confident about multiplication. It's really just the same as if you were a pitcher preparing for a game. Why does the teacher compare multiplying to preparing for a baseball game? Well, it's to show that both multiplying and pitching take practice. Number 7 says, which character trait best describes Team Kids from the poem? They were successful. Mark was nervous in the beginning, but Team Kid was successful at learning how to multiply. What is the main idea of the last stanza? Well, it's to become better at something you need to practice. My brain is like a scrambled egg. What does the speaker mean by this phrase? They mean that the numbers are mixed up, just like scrambled eggs get mixed up. I get my team together, Miguel, Nick, Jane, and me. What are the pronouns? Well, Nick and Jane are the pronouns. All right, that was our test.